Hello viewers, welcome. Today, we will be unboxing and checking out this 1/20th scale Excavator RC from AliExpress. It comes nicely packed in this box. We have the excavator and the remote here. It also includes a charger and a screwdriver used to open the battery compartment. This is a 2.4 GHz controller powered by two 1.5 volts AA batteries, which are not included in the box. It has 11 channels for controlling the excavator, and the controls are not proportional. This cover and this bucket are made of metal, but the rest are made of plastic. It seems the tracks are also made of flexible plastic, and we'll see how it performs on real ground. The excavator is powered by a 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery that looks like an 18650. This can be charged via the included USB charger and has enough playtime to enjoy based on our first drive of it. The sound module is also nice, as we hear here. The tracks seem to work fine here. The cab can also rotate, and there are two controls for the arm and bucket movement. One button makes it scoop and load stuff, and the other button releases the load. It was fun for my kid to play around and operate, also a good practice for his control. So, there you have it, the Yigong 1/20th scale RC from AliExpress, a good unit for its price. Don't forget to subscribe, so we will see you all in the next video. Have a nice day and God bless.